Pyörii.
Alrighty then. We have yet another unboxing video for you. This time the product itself, it's a classic. Never seen before classic. XO again, good quality shit. We have amazing Gautier cognac. It's from the cognac region, of course.
France.
Unbelievable. The box itself, it's
Sturdy.
sturdy, and this is actually wow. This is really sturdy and good quality. We can see there is a collar inside the box, and yeah, we can actually lift up so we can see the firm structure of it. Or maybe not.
You need more power.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah, let's try another way to unbox this fine product. It's yeah, there we go. And, yeah, wow.
Oh, it's fucking beautiful.
It's really beautiful.
Oh my god, fucking
and
beautiful.
now we
really.
can see how quality and
oh my god,
fine product.
The structure.
Yeah,
What a detailed bottle.
yeah, it's
Oh, it's
absolutely
really
amazing.
beautiful.
It's fantastic.
It's like a women's body.
Yeah, and yeah.
What about the cork?
In the end, again, the unboxing is done. Thank you.
Hey!